Today I will discuss about COVSEC, which is made by DRDO. So till now, based on available evidence, the COVID-19 transmitted between the people through contact and droplets. The people most at risk who are in close contact with the COVID-19 patient. So till now, total number of cases in worldwide is more than 19 lakh, and in India, total number of cases is more than 11,000. So DRDO has taken step to help the doctor from taking a sample from patient. So DRDO has made COVSEC that reduce risk of exposure for doctors, and it is used for swab testing, and it will also reduce the need for PPE kit. So what is COVSEC and what are the feature of it and how it will reduce the spreading of virus? We will discuss about that. So let's start. So COVSEC is a COVID sample collection kiosk. Kiosk is a small and standalone booth typically used in high traffic area for providing information. So you can see from this image, it is a type of kiosk which is used in high traffic area for providing information. So COVSEC is the same type of kiosk which is used for sample collection from the patient, and it is made by Defense Research and Development Laboratory, which is working under the Defense Research and Development Organization. So this is a COVSEC which is made by DRDO, and it is having a different feature. You can see it's having a glass cover, voice command system, and gloves. The person will be sit inside this COVSEC booth, and doctor will use these gloves from outside for taking a sample from the nose of the person. And other important feature of this COVSEC we will discuss in next slides. So unit of COVSEC is made by DRDL with the help of Doctors of Employees State Insurance Corporation Hyderabad, and it will be used by the healthcare workers for taking COVID-19 samples from suspected infected patients, and patient under this test will walk into the kiosk and nasal or oral swab will be taken by the health professional from outside through the gloves. From this image, how the doctor is using gloves is taking a sample from the patient which is sitting inside the booth, and other two doctors is also outside and watching toward the patient. So first question is, what is DRDL? In 1958, the government of India constituted a team of engineers for research of guided missile weapons, and then after that it later expanded into a DRDL laboratory in June 1961 in Delhi, and after that it later shifted into a Hyderabad. So now DRDL is working as a design, development and flight system of various missiles, and it is working for the Indian Armed Forces. So this kiosk is automatically disinfected without the need of human involvement, and which will make the process free of infection spread. The shading screen of kiosk cabin protects the healthcare worker from aerosol or droplet transmission from the person which is inside the kiosk booth while taking the sample. And this will also reduce the PPE requirement. PPE is the personal protective equipment which is continually changed by a doctor after taking a sample from the patient. The patient leave the kiosk, the four nozzle sprayer mounted in the kiosk cabin disinfect the empty chamber by spraying disinfectant for a period of 70 seconds, and it is further flushed with water and UV light disinfection. The system is ready for next use in less than 2 minutes. The voice command can be given through two-way communication system integrated with the COVSEC, and it is possible to configure COVSEC to be used either from inside and outside as required by medical professionals. The cost of this COVSEC is nearly rupees 1 lakh, and DRDO has designed and developed two units and handed over these to the ESI Hospital Hyderabad after successful testing by taking a sample from the 19 patient. So guys, this is about COVSEC. I hope you are all well. Thanks for watching.